Drifting!
Oh, Zach, stop! Stop!
Oh my days! Oh my days!
Oh, this is sick!
What's going on, people? This is Traction Off TV. Today we're on our way to the city to link up with my boy who's not seen the C43 just yet. We're going to be giving it a little bit of a drive, a little bit of an overview, what our thoughts are, seeing his first impressions, turning traction off and just giving it a good spin, just to see what it can do really. We've got a few of the GoPros as well, so we're going to be setting those up a little bit later. Got the head mounts and just having as much fun as we possibly can to get something new. Said hello to my barber. Big up Image Barbers in Mottingham. So we're just at traffic lights. Put it in Sports Plus. We'll give it a little bit of a pull just so you can. Right. Drop the gear.
Listen, we're gonna have jokes today, Zach. You know what?
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Yes, yeah, it's just about to pull up. Hey, here we go.
Alright. Zachy boy Smith. Hard. It's actually mad, bro. Mad, it's actually mad.
How's it looking?
So sick. Such a sick colour as well, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? It's a big step up from the Astra.
Hey, the Astra days are long gone. What Astra? The interior is looking greasy as well. Hard.
Gives it to you.
You know what? It's all in the detail, my friend.
It is.
Hey, bro, I'm not gonna lie. It's a big upgrade. Yeah. This is a serious bit of engine.
And you'll know. Remember the times where I used to pull up outside of work and I used to pump up my tyre and top up the oil every day for a year.
Hey, Zach, you became famous. You know that people will watch you doing it. It's like Zach will pull up. Right, we work in like a, central London and that. Zach will pull up in a three-piece suit, looking all dapper, mad walking that, and he will pull up on an Astra, take the pump out of the back, and then pump the flipping tyres. Like, hey, that used to be so funny.
It's one of those times I didn't give a fuck, but looking back at it now, I could never do that again.
Bro, it's part of our story. Anyway, so tell me a little bit about this car, Zach. So this car, C43.
C43.
Yeah. What engine is this? What litre is this?
V6. I'm pretty sure it's a 3 litre if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the stats up on the screen. But 370 brake horse stock.
3 what?
370.
370.
Brake horse stock.
Mad. Hey, listen, from the Astra to this, and it's sounding lively.
It sounds amazing. We'll open up the window a little bit, but going from an Astra to this was a big step up. I was saying earlier, I think I was in two minds of what to get. It was either M240i around 20k, but I thought, you know what, if I'm gonna have something for 4 or 5 years, I may as well just go all out and just.
But
get
you was
the
even
V6.
thinking. I remember you was even thinking about an M3, yeah. Hey, so you was what way are we going? Go right. So I remember when you first came to me and you was like, bro, should I get this or should I get M3? Anyway, the biggest difference, and this is one of the main things that I pointed out to you, is you went from a front wheel drive car, Astra, 1.4 litre, whatever it was, right? It done you what it did. It was a workhorse, like, you've got to put respect on it. But to jump from that to something like an M3, there's a few things you've got to bear in mind. Number one is the power. but number two, it's rear wheel drive, bro. And rear wheel drive, you can't turn.
I know, it's a
the
different
way
beast.
you would, like, you can't just throw it into a corner. You got to be so careful.
And I think this was good because it was everything I was looking at. M4, even like an RS5. Just it was too off-putting, too much of a big jump. I was a little bit scared. Like rear wheel drive, is gonna be a bit too playful.
This is 4x4, isn't it?
All-wheel drive. Yeah.
All-wheel drive. Sorry.
So let's turn traction off because we are traction off.
Traction off TV. Let's
give it full power.
Absolutely stupid, bro. Honestly.
It's good, isn't it?
So dumb.
And we drop the gears. And that is why we went to this.
You know what? I love it, bro. I'm such a kid, bro. The adrenaline, it does something to you.
It does.
Hey! Allow me, Zach. This is mad. You know what? It's different. When you... We took air, bro. Hey, listen. All my days now, I've got the perfect street. Get ready for this.
Where we go?
Go right. Bro, I don't have anything to hold on to.
You don't trust me, bro. You don't trust me.
Right, go.
Brakes are sharp as well. The brakes are sharp.
Lick it. No. Oh my God, not like that.
Why not? Why are you getting shook, man?
I thought he was gonna go straight, cuz. That was mad. I know. Why is that saying?
Hey, get it with your spin.
I know, please don't.
Drifting.
Oh, Zach, stop. Pull over to the left. That was mad. Oh, this is so much fun, bro. Hey, listen, I don't know what to do right now. I'm in panic mode. Oh, we're back.
Back on after that.
That was so funny, I'm not gonna lie. My adrenaline was blasting. Woo. So traction off TV. First little shenanigan. 3, 2, 1. Click there. Oh, listen, the G-force. Woo!
Get shot.
It gets you. Sing it. We're gonna have to get one out. Miles per miles, you know? Yeah, we do a flyby.
Where can we
Alright, do the handling. Go. No, don't drift it though, just like go a bit. You know what I'm saying? A bit faster than... Slow.
Why? It's not even that
I got
fast.
shook, man. I'm telling you to do it and then I'm getting shook myself. Don't worry,
Are we going straight?
man. Go back, yeah. From the roundabout and then come back down, blast it. Are you ready? Crazy.
Let's do a swap over, bro. I think you should drive this car.
Is it?
Yeah.
Don't gas me up. Is it actually?
I think it is. It's about that time.
It's dumb. Listen to the downshifts. So first kind of thoughts on the car, yeah, for me, obviously it's the first time I'm kind of driving it properly. The sound, honestly, you can't get bored of it. It's super fun. And so like, everything's in the confidence. Thinking about the handling, I could see everything. And we're straight into it.
Oh my days! Oh my days!
Oh, this is sick! Oh, listen. So.
Yeah, some maritime over there.
Yeah. This is turbocharged, isn't it?
There is turbos, yeah.
Yes, because you know why?
There's a lag.
There's a lag and then it
kicks in.
Hey Days, look at this lorry behind me. He's thinking, this has got more than 350 brake, bro.
It feels like it, doesn't it?
What has this got? I don't understand.
370.
370, okay.
So I reckon with a little remap, we'll bring it to 420.
Easy. Easy peasy. Alright, this lorry's gapping it. Go on, my boy. Go on, my boy.
He's looking as well.
He's looking. Go on, my boy. Look at him. He's gapping it.
He wants it. Come on, pull up next to him. Pull up next to him. Oh no, he's lifted.
Go on, let him do it, bro. He deserves that. You know what? That would be me as well. I'd be doing that.
Shit, my head.
A bit of air time now. Jeez, I'm sweating, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you do, you're sweating.
Man, absolutely amazing, Zach.
It's good to put it for his pace.
Bro, of course, this is what the car's been made for. Yeah. Don't feel bad for it at all. It's saying come shag me, honestly. It's telling me come shag me, I could give you more.
Yeah.
Honestly, that braking, I know it must have felt hard for you, but for me, I wasn't braking heavily.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh.
That was fantastic, wasn't it? It's just fabulous, darling. So
you get a little bit more spin there. See that?
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
I'm very, very happy with that, bro.